Welcome back, nail queens. I don't know if you guys saw me do this extra long nail set with dip powder and dip liquids, but they're too long for me and I had to cut them down. So I recently, actually not recently, ages ago, purchased this nail tip cutting device, and I've never had a reason to use it because my nails were never long enough. But now that they're long enough, I'm gonna give this a go. So this thing is pretty interesting. There's a couple moving pieces. So this plastic thing is supposed to catch the tip when you put it in there. But I guess the tip was so strong, it just went flying. So, yeah. I'm just gonna keep trimming and trim all of these nails. Oh my gosh, those were so curved. It's crazy. I'm not used to like these extra long length nails. So for me, it's such a relief to remove them because they are ridiculously long. Like I could not function with these. But I know there's people who can. It's just not me. So I took them off, clipped them down, and now I feel a lot better. So I'm going to file the free edges, live my life with short nails. But I also want to show you guys how I clip some press-on nails using the same thing. And I actually got a better handle on how this device works the second time that I used it. I'm using this device for a second time, and this time I want to actually keep the cap on here for the demonstration and use this little rotary thing. So the little dial right here turns, and it's supposed to like dictate how much gets cut off, which is great if you want your length to be the same across all your nails. So it really just stops your thumb or like finger pad from going further, so that's how much would get cut off if you put your finger up to the dial. So it's just basically for consistent sizing, which is neat. So I'm gonna put the little clear cap back on once I determine what size I want, because these press-ons are so long. I know they're shorter than the pink set that I showed y'all, but they're still very long for me. So you just put your finger in there and then snap. And this time the cap didn't come flying off, which is nice. So I'm going to continue doing this for the rest of the nails. And look how they all collect there. Unlike the pink set that went flying everywhere, this one is all in one place and you can just dump it in the trash after you're done, just like that, which is really neat to have this like little tip collecting feature apparatus, clear cap, whatever you want to call it. If you missed my review on these press-on tips and the glue, they're Nailboo and they are so sculpted. Like it was very difficult to get the glue and the tips because they're sculpted to work for me. Although the glue set incredibly fast. Look at that curve. I do not have curved nails like that. So for this to be so curved, it's really digging into my sidewalls and my skin. So I was like, nope, these gotta go. So I know this tip cutter demo was very short and sweet, but it was straightforward and to the point. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate every time you guys tune in and comment on my videos. It means the world to me. And be sure to hit like if you like this video. Thank you. Bye.